This is my property, and I will fucking kill any of you guys. I'm on my property, and I'll fucking kill any of you that want to go to our fucking country. You're a training fucking whore.
Hey, Carol, how are ya?
I'm great. How are you?
Good.
Guess what? The feds are coming for your ass.
Okay, what you got in your hand? A baseball bat?
Internal. Whoop, whoop, affairs.
All right.
Yes.
Carol, it's Officer Smith. Can you go ahead and put the baseball bat down for me?
No, I don't.
Okay. What's going on today? What's wrong?
You're a bitch. You're a bitch.
Okay.
Yes, you.
I don't know what I did, but I'm sorry.
How about you? Who are you?
Hey, put that
Who are
down.
you?
Put that
Right
down.
from the start, this situation is spiraling out of control. Officers are staying calm, but notice the repeated death threats and the baseball bat. Those aren't just angry words anymore. They're creating a potentially deadly situation. At this point, the officers have to balance patience with public safety. What would you do if you were standing just a few feet away?
Who are you?
Put that down.
No.
Put it down.
Negative.
Okay.
This is my property, and I will fucking kill any of you guys.
Hey, that's not...
I'm on my property, and I'll fucking kill any of you
put
that
it
want
down.
to.
Don't walk
Capiche?
towards. Don't walk
Do you
towards
understand?
with the
Because
bat.
internal affairs is coming for you, and you.
Okay.
Bye.
Hey, can we talk to you for a
No,
second?
you cannot.
Okay.
Leave me the alone forever. Capiche? Forever.
Carol.
Do you understand me, bitch?
We just want to understand what's going
Bitch,
on. We're trying to help
You
you.
understand perfectly now.
Hey,
I don't.
Orly Italiano?
No, I don't know who that
Go
is.
talk to fucking Russo then.
he's coming.
He's
coming.
Hey, Carol,
Yeah,
Russo's...
when I see Russo on my steps, I'll fucking stop.
Okay,
well, he's coming right now.
Okay.
So
Let's go.
just give us a few minutes. He's gonna pull up.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll wait.
Okay, perfect.
You stay out there.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Off of my fucking property.
I'm not on your property. I'm on the sidewalk.
Get your toes off my
I'm
property.
not on
Get
it.
your toes off my fucking property.
It's not on him.
You are on it.
Well,
You are on it.
sure.
Just take a step back, guys. It's fine.
Yeah. It's good. No, it's not good. It's real fucking
Hey,
bad.
did something happen with the wreath earlier today?
Yeah.
What happened?
I fucking knocked on their door with my fucking baseball bat.
Okay, why?
Because they're fucking cunts. Just like this cunt, that cunt, that fucking cunt, and that fucking nurse down there. Guess what? You wanna know something special? She's best friends, besties. Guess with who? Can you guess?
Who?
Eric's fucking cousin Kim, another fucking nurse
Who's Eric?
who's protecting the child molesters. You guys are protecting child molesters.
Who's Eric?
Do you know that?
Who's Eric?
Do you even know that, or are you so
Well,
dumb?
we'd like to help. Who's
I want
Eric?
to see Russo immediately.
He's coming.
This better be Russo.
10-4. She's irate and asking
I've
for
got
you.
3 cops right outside my property, and I'm going to kill any one of them that steps one toe on my property.
That's good.
Any one of them. And they hear me right now. And they're calling for backup right now.
No, we're just asking where Russo's at.
Coming.
There he is.
They're all f***ing coming.
He's right here. Russo's right here for you.
Yeah, get here real quick. Real.
This is the turning point. She's openly threatening to kill officers while dispatch is being updated in real time. Legally, these statements can become powerful evidence in court because they're being witnessed by multiple officers and captured on body camera. Every second now raises the stakes, and the peaceful outcome becomes much harder to achieve.
Real f***ing quick. I'm in big f***ing trouble right now. There's 3 f***ing bitches right on my doorstep. Don't f***ing step on my property.
I'm on the sidewalk, ma'am.
You better stay there.
I will.
Capiche?
Yes, I
You
understand,
understand
ma'am.
now?
I understand, ma'am.
You do? Why don't you go have a seat?
No, thank
Be
you.
humble, bitch. Be humble.
All right, Carol, this is Sergeant Russo's
Where's
boss.
Russo?
Right here.
No.
Right here, Carol.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's about time. You had me standing on the corner like a prostitute. Do you, capiche?
Carol, why do you have a bat in your hand?
Because I'm going to kill a motherfucker who steps on my property. Are you coming?
You're gonna kill somebody who steps on your property.
I will kill any
Shot already once
any
with
basic bitch. Any one of you basic fucking bitches.
Put the bat down right now. Put it down.
What do you
okay.
want from me?
You need to get evaluated after
You
what
can
you've
go
done.
f yourself.
No,
Russo.
I'm not going to. Okay, Carol.
I'm on my property. I can do what I want.
No, you didn't.
Touch me and I'll f***ing touch me and I'll f***ing kill you.
This is all in camera.
Now the officers have reached the point where verbal de-escalation is no longer working. With a weapon still in hand and repeated threats continuing, taking her into custody becomes about preventing immediate harm. not punishment. This is one of those moments where hesitation could have serious consequences for everyone involved.
It's all on camera.
Touch me and I will f***ing kill you. I'll kill any one of you bitches. You fucking what nationality are you?
I'm German.
Oh, you're German?
Yeah.
That explains it. You fucking stubborn. What are you, Russo? Huh?
What do you think I am?
I think you're a
Okay.
fucking Italian.
Well,
Badass fucking Italian. So
Thank you.
Russo.
Carol.
You, Russo.
Carol.
You know what? I know all about
Here,
it.
I got a
Russo.
light for you.
I know all about that. You used to live in this fucking house, or your grandpa or somebody.
No.
Who was it?
No one, you never lived in this house.
I'll go ahead.
Who was it?
2133. Chain secure. Give them
You can unchain the fucking cuffs now.
Oh, we can.
You can, and you fucking will. Where's my kids? Where's
They're
my
not
kids?
here. We
They're with that child molester. You left them with a child molester for this long.
Carol.
You put a child molester in my fucking house.
Carol.
The cops
Carol.
and the fucking
We didn't do
feds.
any of that.
You all did it,
Okay.
and you're all fucking going down for it. Guess what?
Okay.
Booyah! Whoop whoop! Whoop whoop!
You know, I just put her in the closest
Whoop, whoop.
until my medical
Police!
Um,
Whoop whoop! Fire!
Yeah, we can.
Fire! 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 Fire!
Don't take that back.
You fucking let me go. These hurt. These cuffs hurt.
No,
And
they're
you guys
fine.
are fucking dickheads. You guys are all dickheads. And I'm gonna kill any one of you.
Okay,
Step
Carol.
on my fucking property. You understand me?
stop trying to trip
Do
me.
you?
Stop trying to trip me.
Hey,
We're gonna
okay.
be back in my yard. We're in my yard. We were in my fucking yard, you bitch. You're a fucking whore. You know that? You're a fucking.
Even after being handcuffed, the threats don't stop. Many people think an arrest ends the danger, but officers are trained to stay alert because suspect can still spit, kick, or assault them. Notice how they avoid arguing back and stay focused on safely completing the arrest despite the constant insults.
Okay.
Yeah, you are. Hag. Hag. You fucking. Am I pissing you off?
No.
Just a little bit?
Not at all,
Getting
actually.
a little irate?
No.
Are you? I can tell. Your pulse is
Carol,
elevated.
by the way,
Your pulse is fucking
what you
elevated.
did was an aggravated.
I'm gonna have a fucking heart attack. Are you ready?
Yeah, I got her.
Are you ready? Because I'm gonna have a stroke.
Okay, everything's
My eyes are twitching. I can't fucking see right.
Yeah.
Yeah, certainly. Why does it feel like tick? You want to feel my tick?
Do you have any weapons on
You
you?
like tick? No.
Do you have any weapons on you?
You want to look at my pussy?
We're looking for
Look,
weapons.
I got a pink pussy. Fucking
have any
fags don't know
weapons
that. Because they think these are white. Because they're fucking gay and they've never seen a pussy before in their fucking lives. Were you going through my shit too?
Carol, you gotta be first.
Russo? You can
me get
suck
it
my
back.
fucking twat. You understand me? Capiche? Capiche? Because io parlo italiano, fucking Russo.
All on camera.
I'm
Carol.
getting better at it too, fucking bitch.
You threaten people, us.
You can go
Battered a
yourself.
police officer
Russo?
doing her job, which is an aggravated
Capiche?
battery. So, forget it.
You can go
Get help,
yourself.
Carol.
You can all go
Okay.
yourself.
Have a seat.
I'm not
seat.
getting in this vehicle. I'm not getting in the vehicle. I'm not getting in the vehicle. No, you have no right. You have
gonna
no
get in the
right.
vehicle.
No. You're making a big.
Moment. Threats against officers, resisting arrest, and physical aggression don't disappear just because emotions are running high. Bodycam footage captures every word and action, and prosecutors often rely on this evidence to build a case. Cameras don't forget what happened.
You're making a big mistake right now. You guys need to let me go and take these cuffs off. Go get my kids and my fucking dog and bring it back from that fucking child molester. Pronto! Pronto! Look at I'm spitting. I'm so fucking mad. Okay. I'm fucking spitting, man.
All right. Well.
Okay, you gotta
Oh.
You're gonna break my fucking new glasses. You're gonna break my new glasses that I got from that fucking queen.
You got it.
You know, bitches. Good luck. Good fucking luck. I'm strong as a horse. You fucking bitches. You can give me as much drugs as you want. And I don't
Hey, can you pull it?
What happens to me, you fucking
Here, you know
horse?
what? Undo the belt. Undo the belt. Alright,
I'm
Carol.
gonna kill you, bitch. I'm gonna kill you, bitch.
I'm sorry.
You ready?
Carol.
I'm coming for you. Because you're a fucking traitor.
Carol.
You're a traitor.
Carol.
You're a fucking traitor.
Carol.
To our
Calm
country.
down.
To our fucking country. You're a training fucking whore.
Alright. You gonna keep on kicking?
Russo, you hit me with the fucking
already.
seatbelt one more time or so.
I didn't hit
I
you.
swear
Sit up and stop kicking people.
you
did
will.
this. All right. You've gotten better.
No.
Well, she was kicking you.
She was trying to trip me. She was just going like this. She didn't hit me.
Look, bottom line is.
She didn't hit me.
Okay. Well, she kicked you just now.
She kicked me and spit on me.
Okay, there you go.
And here's the final result. What started as a disturbance quickly escalated into multiple criminal charges because of repeated threats, resistance, and alleged assaults on officers. It's a powerful reminder that every decision during a police encounter can dramatically change the outcome. Was there any moment where the situation could have ended differently?